Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code. So let's begin. First open Google Chrome. Then type Visual Studio Code. Now click on the first link. Click on download. Then click on Windows. Now click Save. Open the setup. Click on I accept. Click on next, 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 and tick these three options. And now click on install. Wait for it to install. You can close your browser now. Uncheck this option. Now click on finish. So guys, now you have Visual Studio Code installed. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.